Hey, man. You all right? Huh? Man, put that knife down out your hand. You might put that knife down. You mind putting that knife down in your hand, sir? Hold up. Put that gun down, sir. Don't do that. Hey! Do not come. Step back. Step back. Step back. Step back. Hey, it's not. All right. Put that gun down, bro. Put it down. I don't want to test it. Put it down. Put it down, bro.
She's crazy.
That's a knife in his hand?
She's the crazy one.
Hey, put that knife down. I'm going to shoot you. Put that knife down. I'm going to shoot you. Hey, put that gun down. And that knife down, you chasing me. Hey. HQ it. Shot fire. Put your hands down, lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Lay on the ground, sir. Stop moving. Stop moving. Get on your back. Get on your back. Fuck. Oh, shit. Get on your back.
Give me your gun. Give me your gun. Give me your fucking gun. Give me your gun. Give me it. Give me it.
Get on your back.
Fuck that. I'm gonna get it. I got it. I got it. I got it. Do it. Fucking shoot me, bitch. Let's go. Bitch.
Get off my... I got you, ma'am. Get him on the back.
You good? You good?
Nah, he's fighting me.
Hold on.
Hey, put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Give me your gun. Fuck.
Damn, my clothes are broken.
Crime scene detectives responded to the scene and located O'Donoghue's knife and the airsoft gun near where he fell to the ground after the shooting. Crime scene detectives also photographed the living room curtains that were set ablaze by O'Donoghue.